If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Jessica will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about. If you've just inherited a home here in California, you're probably feeling a mix of emotions and on top of that, a whole lot of paperwork and decisions. Probate, taxes, repairs, family conversations, it can feel like a lot. And if you're wondering where to start or how to sell an inherited house the right way, you're definitely not alone. The first big step is figuring out who actually has the legal authority to sell the home. In California, that usually means going through probate unless the property was held in a trust, in joint tenancy, or it qualifies as a small estate. Probate is the court process that officially appoints an executor or administrator, and without that appointment, you can't legally list or sell the property. Once authority is established, the next step is getting the home valued. An appraisal helps you set a fair price, calculate potential taxes, and meet court requirements if probate is involved. From there, you'll decide whether to clean the place up, make repairs, or simply sell it as is. A lot of inherited homes are dated or need work, so selling as is or going with a cash buyer can save time, money, and stress. One thing most people don't realize is the huge tax advantage you get with inherited property. California follows the step up in basis rule, meaning the home's taxable value resets to what it was worth at the time of your loved one's passing. So if you sell it close to that value, you might owe very little in capital gains tax. And if there are multiple heirs, communication becomes everything. Sometimes everyone agrees and the process is smooth. Other times, a buyout, mediation, or even a forced sale might be needed. Every family situation is different, and that's okay. Selling an inherited home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right guidance, it can be simple, respectful, and financially smart. If you want help understanding your options or need a fast as is offer without repairs or drama, Kees Homes is here whenever you're ready.